Hello, how are you? My name is Charlotte and I'm a customer success manager here at Legal Monster. In this video, I'll talk a bit about how to embed your cookie policy and other legal documents on your website and the importance of doing so. So you may or may not know this, but it's actually a legal requirement that you have your legal documents readily available for your users on your website. This always includes your cookie policy and your privacy policy and your terms of service or terms and conditions if your users can buy anything or book a service from your website. What most companies do is to link to these important documents in the footer of your website. And if we have a look at ours, for instance, that is exactly what we do as well. It's very much like best practice. Here you can see we have our privacy policy, our terms of service, and our cookie policy. And at Legal Monster, we want to do this as easy for you as possible, which is why we have our embed feature that allows you to embed your legal documents, for instance, your cookie policy, but also your terms of service and your privacy policy on any page of your website. So if you go to this cookie policy, for instance, let's have a look here. With this embed feature, you can actually embed the same cookie policy that you have with your subscription with us. So if we have a look here, this is exactly the same as the one visible here in the cookie pop-up. So let me take you now to my dashboard. So here, this is the Legal Monster dashboard as you know it. And when looking at agreements, so here is my cookie policy. It is the one on autopilot, which means that it is maintained and updated whenever there's any changes in the legal landscape, but also whenever I categorize a new cookie, then that is automatically updated into my cookie policy. And when I use this embed feature, it's actually this piece of code right here that is embedded locally on my website, and that will ensure that the cookie policy I have here locally on my website is always aligned and auto updates the same way as the cookie policy in my cookie pop-up. So that is pretty neat. But what you can also do, let me close this, is to have your other legal documents. Let me scroll all the way down here. So for instance, your privacy policy. So you can have all the legal documents you wish to display. The one thing you need to do is you go to agreements. It's this link or this field out here in the left-hand side. You can see here I have both my terms of service and privacy policy. But if you haven't uploaded yours yet, what you simply do is click New Agreement, and then you select the proper one. You upload your document, and then it's again the same key here, that you just use the guide underneath, and simply use that to embed your legal documents on your website. So that is how you do it. Have fun. And if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out at hello@legalmonster.com. Have a lovely day. And we'll talk soon. Take care. Bye.